In this video, I'll show you how to add an image permalink in WordPress. As an example, let me hover on Media and then select Library. Currently, I'm in the grid view. Let's switch to List view. As you can see, here's the list of images uploaded to my WordPress site. As an example, let me open the first image, Espresso Service Sample Image. And as you can see, here's the permalink at the very top. Let's click on it. It will open the page with the image title, the image, and the comment section. So the whole purpose of this video is how to edit the URL handle. As in my case, Espresso Service Sample Image. It matches the image title. So what we have to do is go back to the Edit Media section. If you notice, there's no edit option for the permalink. So what we have to do is click on Screen Options at the top right corner, and then click on the URL slug right here. Now let's scroll all the way to the bottom. And there's an option to edit the slug. Let me just remove the last part, dash sample image. And now let's update the changes. Now let me once again click on the permalink. And as you can notice, we've successfully updated the URL handle. It's currently espresso-service. However, the image title is still the old one. Let me go back to Edit Media and let's also adjust the title. Let's call it Espresso Service. Let's update the changes. Once again, let's go back. Let's refresh the page. And there it is. There's the new title. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.